Building a new home is an exciting experience. To see your decisions come to life is something our customers say they will never forget. This video is created to help you understand the home construction process, to know your role within the process, and understand what comes next. Once you've made the decision to build a new home, you will be informed of the construction sequence as follows. Approve final plans for your home. Choose interior and exterior finishings. Apply for and receive your building permit. Foundation, waterproofing and weeping tile, backfill, framing, install windows and doors, siding and shingles, mechanical rough-in, electrical rough-in, visit your home for a framing walkthrough, insulation vapor barrier, drywall, finishing carpenter, interior paint, cabinets, install flooring, plumbing and electrical fixtures, final cleaning, final homeowner walkthrough, and receive your keys to your new home. Please keep in mind, if you are purchasing a spec home, some or all of these steps will have been completed and the builder will have made selections for the home, so you will be purchasing it as built and viewed. With over 45 years of home building under our belt, we know what's important: putting the customer first throughout the design, build, and ownership process. We are committed to providing superior value in every aspect of our business, not only because industry standards demand it, but because we do. When you purchase a home from us, we work to ensure your complete satisfaction. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. You can find more videos like this in the home care section of our website.